In this brief video, we will be showing you when it's appropriate to replace P11000 teeth. This is what new P11000 teeth look like. And here we have a worn tooth. The neat thing about these P11000 teeth is that they are sharpenable. So all this tooth needs is a sharpening and it's good to go again. But it's important to note that P11000 teeth should be sharpened according to the sharpening gauge that comes with the mulcher. This gauge is typically found in the spare tool compartment. It's also important that all the teeth are grinded down roughly the same amount, since if there is quite a difference, then the rotor will be unbalanced, which will result in excessive vibration. There is also a point where the teeth would be too worn and no longer salvageable. That would be when the teeth would be as low as these bite limiting rings here. At this point, the teeth would need to be replaced. And if there is a large chip in a tooth, and it can't be grinded out when sharpening, then it is recommended to keep using it as long as the missing area is not too great to throw off the balance. If you have to change to a new tooth, then it should be ground down to about the same amount as the other used teeth. Sharpening and changing out teeth when needed is key to maintain good cutting performance and efficiency.